Today on Art for All, I'm going to draw someone who's in the news lately. It's Rishi Sunak, the new Prime Minister of the UK. He's a bit of a controversial figure, but then, in today's political world, what politician isn't controversial? We're going to draw him from the shoulders up, looking a bit dapper in his blue suit and tie. Let's get started and see if we can make our drawing look like him. Isn't that the point? I'm starting. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. Did you know we publish lots of fun coloring books for both adults and kids? You can get them from Amazon, Etsy, or the Art for All website. Check the link in the description for more details. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.